minimum harness by EDD. So here, in this method, what is the basic principle of this EDD method? This is nothing but first we have to take the liquid solution, that is the hard water. So that hard water meaning harness crossing ion. It is the harness crossing ion. It is not the maybe the calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, or magnesium sulfate, etc. So this type of the harness crossing ions are taken with the EBT indicator. So EBT is nothing but electromagnetic indicator. So here we have to make the pH is the 8 to 10. Next, we will produce the bilateral weak complex. Okay, so this is the bilateral weak complex. We can easily break down or we can easily react with the another. It is ready to react with the another compound. So for example, this bilateral weak complex, it is reacting with the EDTA solution. So then we have to maintain the pH is 8 then so then it produces the stable complex and also liberate the sweet group color of the EBT indicator. This is the basic principle of the EBT method. Next one is we have to prepare the various solutions for this condition. One is the standard water, another is the EBT solution, next one is the EBT indicator, another is the buffer solution. So here the standard water, so here we have to prepare the 1 gram of calcium carbonate salts. So 1 gram we have to what is we have to weigh 1 gram of calcium carbonate salt. It is we have to solidify minimum quantity of the concentrated hydrochloric acid. So then it is diluted to the 1 liter of distilled water. So this solution is called the standard hard water. Next one is the EDTA solution. EDTA solution we have to prepare the 1 liter of the EDTA solution. So 4 grams of EDTA. It is we have to weigh 4 grams of EDTA. It is dissolved in 1 liter of distilled water. This solution is called EDTA solution. Next one is the EBT indicator. We have to weigh 20 grams of EBT indicator. It is dissolved in 100 ml of water. Next one is the buffer solution. We have to take 67.5 grams of ammonium chloride. It is mixing with the 570 ml of ammonia. So then it is diluted to 1 liter of the distilled water. The solution is called the buffer solution. So these are also various solutions used for the EDTA method. That's